If you own an F-Series BMW, you have to get this mod. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This is a necessity, a straight necessity. Bro, this right here is the Rennline foam mount. I got the foam mount here, the rest of the mount. Then I also upgraded this thing and got the magnetic wireless charger for it. Whoo, for the MagSafe. This is for my iPhone, guys. Bro, you need this mod, trust me. Let's go ahead and get into the install. This thing should be super simple, super easy. I can't wait to get this thing installed in the whip because every time I'm hopping in the car, I'm like, bro, where's my phone? Where's my phone? It's right there now. Let's jump into the install. Ooh, as you guys can see, the sun is out. It is shining today. Whew, your boy got his Crocs on. You know, when we get work done, we got to rock them Crocs. Let's get a cold start on the BMW. This thing is salty. We might have to get it washed today. She's definitely angry this morning. All right, so like I stated, this install should be very simple. Let's jump into the install. All right, so similar to how we did when I changed out this whole piece right here for the underlight, we're gonna take this piece off first because we're gonna have to get this out of here so we can put this mount on the back side. All right, so starting off on this right side, we're really just gonna be pulling this piece up just a smidge, working our little piece in there, see if we can get this thing wedged out of there. Fine. Then just like last time, just gonna sit this up here and let it just sort of hang out. Now, I gotta get these screws out of here. But first, I gotta push in on this piece and then pull it down, just like that. Now that's out of there. Now the next step is getting this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw out of there. Those are T20s, so let me grab my T20 tool. All right, now that we got all those screws out of there, this should come right off. And we don't have to take this thing fully out. Let me go grab our mount. All right, so right here is the main mount piece. I'm gonna take it out of this bag, and it's just this bracket. This is gonna sit where those two screws were on the side there. So it'll sit in there like this, and then it'll project the phone out this way. Next up, inside of this box, make sure you guys can see this. And I'll have links for all this stuff down in the description. If you use those links, it helps the channel out. Thank you guys for all the support. It's been a lot over the past year, so I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. All right, then inside of this box, it came with a free little tool to use. And if your phone doesn't have MagSafe, this that you can stick onto the back of your case so you can make it MagSafe. This piece right here, so it can connect to your phone, right? So let me show you guys real quick. Here's my phone. Oh, wow, that's on there pretty strong. So you take this thing, you put your phone up on it, bang, stuck in, MagSafe. As you guys can see, not a problem. And that thing's on there pretty tight. Now for the coolest part of this kit is this right here. Inside of here, I ordered this from Course Motorsports. It also came with another one of those little magnetic pieces if your phone doesn't have one. But inside of here is a wireless charging one. So it's gonna come with the cord and the 12-volt socket. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna hook this up in the whip, make it look nice and clean in there. But this right here is gonna go onto this mount right here, and we should be all set to go. So now I'm gonna set up this mount. This is the little ball that goes on there. It has a little screw on the back. That's what this tool is for. We're gonna take this, loosen up this screw like this, and I'm gonna put it through the back of this, screw this onto the front. Once I got those started, I'm gonna take this screw and tighten it up on the back. What that's gonna do is hold this ball into place. Now I'm gonna take my wireless charger, loosen up the ball off the back of this, put this inside of here, like that. Pop that over the top of it, and tighten down on this. And that's gonna hold it onto there so it doesn't fall off of that ball. Now I'm just gonna rotate this to how I want it, and I want the cord to stick out of the bottom here. So I'll tighten that down, and I'll adjust this as we put this into the car. All right, let's make our way over to the car. We should be able to put this in. All right, so I got my mount here. This is gonna go on the back side of this. Just sit this back up here. So this thing is gonna go across where that top screw was, and then where the bottom screw was, sort of like so. Now let me slide this back into place. Then we'll start getting our screws in. And I'm going to start the screw on the bottom here. And then we're going to put our 2 screws in on the side over here. All right, I've gotten all of those tightened down now. Now I'm just going to take this piece and actually push it into place. Now we're just going to put this bottom piece back into place. All right, now that we snap that back into place, we got our ball here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab our cord and run it down. I plugged it into the cigarette lighter that's down here. A lot of people don't know this, but BMW actually has a cigarette lighter right underneath the glove box on this side. Makes it so easy to plug things in and then hide cords. All right, I'm gonna put this thing in accessory mode. I put it in accessory mode. Now let's test it out and see if this thing works. Let's put this thing on there. Bang, charging. So easy. I got to do a run to the bank. Let's test this thing out on the ride and let's see if this thing actually holds up. All right, so I'm driving over some bumps and stuff right now, but you can see that thing is locked in, bro. Ain't no moving, no nothing. Look how solid that thing is. Yeah, no complaints. This thing's running good. You can see it jiggle just a little bit, but nothing crazy. And it's charging. All right, gang, so we are back in the whip now. Son, no lie to y'all, I literally pulled up to the bank. There was a dude sitting here in his work truck. He literally stopped me. He's like, yo, bro, what kind of car is this? This thing looks good. Like, bro, this thing is super salty right now, but I guess you got to just stay blessed for what we have, you know what I mean? He was talking about like, yo, he loved how the color scheme is going on the front and stuff. And he was like, these wheels are crazy. Funny thing is these my winter wheels. My summer wheels are just regular BMW wheels. So these winter wheels, I tell you, man, these things hit in person. I hope it comes through on camera because it looks so good. But, yeah, you know, just be blessed for what we got. You know what I mean? So anyways, I already went in there and made my deposit. We are back in the whip now. So I will say whipping with this thing has been so good as far as hopping in the whip now. Got my phone, hop in the whip now. Boom, grab my phone, drop it on there. Perfect. Start the whip up. Good to go. Just that easy, bro. I'm already loving this thing. It's there, it's charging. One thing that I really like is it doesn't say it's a slow charger, right? You know, if you plug your new phone in, it'll say if it's a slow charger, so it's not gonna charge it up super fast. I'm not getting that from this, right? So this thing is charging up super fast from the Qi charging. It started off at about 54%, 55% when I started driving, and I was only driving for about 10 minutes or so, and I'm at 59% right now. So I think it's good. I think it's good. Let's go wash this car real quick. All right, she's all clean now. Happy the car's all cleaned up. Things are looking good. We got a little bit of sunshine out here, so it's drying off or it's melting all this snow, so things are looking real good. Anyways, bro, I hope you guys enjoyed that install. I am happy this thing is in here. Bro, this car looks good. Looks really good. Hold on, let me get you guys some B-roll. All right, so I realized my camera was on slow motion mode, so I didn't get this audio. The dude pulled up, was like, yo, your car is looking so clean, bro. 2 people, 1 day. That's why I'm cheesing so hard right here. And then he wanted to hear the exhaust and then started recording it. All right, so we just touched back down at the crib, bro. BMW looking clean. I told you guys, he was like, yo, I love these wheels, bro. These things are my winter wheels. I'm telling you, I think I might have to swap over my summer tires over to these because, man, these things always are getting so many compliments on them. Anyways, it's your boy Chevy. I hope you guys like that install. The Rennline, I'm in love with this mount. It just holds the phone in so securely. No problems with it. I'm gonna make sure I leave links down below. If you use those links, it'll help the channel out. Anyways, it's your boy Chevy. We signing out with another video. Make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know.